Akaso Brave 7 Review, a feature-rich action cam you don't need to be rich to afford. 4K 30 frame per second video and 20 megapixel photo capabilities capture every thrilling adventure with incredible detail and clarity, bringing your memories to life. This camera boasts a variety of video modes: video, time-lapse video, hyperlapse video, and slow-motion video. Electronic Image Stabilization, EIS 4.0, can efficiently smooth out the lens shakes, resulting in smooth and clear videos. This feature is ideal for use in capturing scenes involving activities like riding, skating, and handheld use. The camera's built-in 6-axis gyroscope can detect how you hold the camera, allowing for a more enjoyable capture experience. With gyroscope enabled, the camera intuitively captures vertical shots when held upright and switches to widescreen when held sideways. It may not have all the prowess of that big-name brand action camera, but the Akaso Brave 7 is loaded with features that more than make it worth your money.